I'm lacking self-confidence. I doubt myself all the time. I don't trust myself. I feel like I'm not good at anything. I'm not even good at simple decision making. Like the small little ones. I mean, sometimes I ask other people what I should eat for lunch. How can I be trusted to make big life decisions if I can't even make small decisions like that? What if I make the wrong decision and mess it all up? It's easier to blame other people. So if things go wrong, I don't have to blame myself. But I know this is not how I want to live my life. I don't want to give my power away so easily. Today, I'm allowing my self-confidence to grow. I choose to trust my own abilities. I'm responsible for my own life. I'm learning to believe in myself. And I'm learning to tap into my inner confidence. I release other people's opinions and validations. And I'm calling all of my energy back to me now.